Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today you guys see that I have these two puffballs on my head. I'm supposed to be going to a party, and I use Kanekalon hair to put in my hair, but also what I am doing, I am using these High Beam Intense hairspray colors on my hair. This is my first time doing it. Yeah, it's just a little short video, guys, just to see if this works or not. My hair is a little crazy right now, but I don't care because this is going to be coming out at the end of the day anyway. This is just a cheap way to do your hair and make it look a little bit more, I don't know, just stick around. Okay, so basically I had to redo my two space ones because they was looking a little crazy, but you'll see at the end of this video it was still looking crazy. So yeah, I'm just bobby pinning them down so that they'll stay, and then I'm using the Got To Be Glue styling gel to just push down my edges because I don't do wavy hairs. And see, there you'll see that I messed up my bun trying to put a towel over it because I was going to spray paint it that way, but I chose a different way. I ended up going outside actually, so yeah. So I had a bro hold the phone for me, but then he got lazy and went inside and held the phone from the inside, and the windows aren't as clean as I thought they were, so I had to end up going in the bathroom after he got done doing that. So yeah, you'll see here that my hair is really green, and I'll be going with the teal hairspray, and I am just spraying my hair to just make everything match. And yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. I just wanted to get it on camera since I was doing it anyway. If I fucked up my hair or not, it was just going to be in my hair. So, but this temporary spray, it is washable. So as soon as you get in the shower and you decide you want to wash your hair or wash it out, you can. And it doesn't damage your hair, depending on how many times you use it. This is my first time, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to damage my hair. It is temporary, so yeah, it's not gonna damage your hair. Don't know how many times I'm gonna say that, but it doesn't damage your hair. Alright guys, love you, bye.